Hi, I'm Auri Katarina and I deep clean my followers' homes for free. Today is a really special day for two reasons. It's Sunday, 8 a.m. and we are on our way to cleaning trip. Woo! This house owner's personal assistant sent me an email and asked my help because her client is in trouble. So, when I saw those pictures, I immediately wanted to help them. So, let's do that. And the second thing is that today's guest is really special because he is my boyfriend. This is his first time cleaning with me, so I don't know what is going to happen. I don't know the story behind those pictures, but I wanna know. So let's clean and find out. Okay, the living room looks like this. So we are starting by collecting all the trash. Somebody said to me that when I say trash it's wrong, so thank you for that. So from now on it's trash. But first I want to introduce you my boyfriend.
Hi!
So, are you excited to clean?
I'm really excited. Looks a bit challenge, but let's do it.
It's no challenge at all. But yeah, let's do that. There is a lot of flies. Look what my boyfriend did. Oh, it's so organized. Okay, here's the kitchen. There is a lot of dishes. So my boyfriend is going to wash them. And I'm doing the toilet. Okay, I have to show you because... So this is the view right now. Here we have a lot of boxes like these. They are full of dirty dishes. So, have fun, baby!
Thanks, I will.
No, it doesn't smell bad.
Yes, it does. Awful. Oh.
Are you feeling overwhelmed?
Yes, I'm surely am, because there are so many plates and mugs and glasses. I don't know, I have like cleaned 100 plates, but there's 300 left.
Yes, everybody always feel really overwhelmed, but I don't, so I think it's okay. But if you haven't done this kind of cleaning before, it feels like it's endless. It never ends, but it will. It will. The result is amazing, so we just have to keep on going. But it's alright. You can feel more overwhelmed. It's pretty normal. It would be weird if you did it.
I trust you. I have good faith in you.
Okay, now we are at the supermarket, returning bottles. Woo. So we get some cash. I have some questions for you.
Alright, bring it on.
What do you think about my cleaning hobby?
Well, I think it's so fantastic what you do, and I'll try to support you as much as I can and help you.
Yes. that I clean too much.
Well, no, you don't. I think it's amazing. It's amazing how passionate you are about what you do. And it's also nice that I don't have to clean at home at all.
That's true.
Actually, I'm not even allowed to clean at home at all. Even if I wanted to.
How about, what did you think about my cleaning hobby when we first met? And what do you think now?
Well, at first I was like, how someone can like cleaning so much? Is he crazy or something? But
How long have we been together?
almost like 1 year ago you gave me home cleaning as a birthday present. But I think we have been together now like 6 months.
Yes. True. Hey, we are almost ready.
Almost. It's been a quite rough time. Quite hot in here.
Has this been anything you imagine or?
Well, no, it has been much tougher than I thought. We have been here like 7 hours now, and it's so hot in here, and
When we arrived here, you thought that this is like 2-hour trip.
well,
or
maybe
something.
yeah, maybe 3 hours or something. Pick up the trashes and do the dishes, and let's go home. But no,
No.
7 hours and still counting.
Here we have some kind of food. This smells pretty bad. And scrub mommy. Sorry, scrub mommy. Okay, we have really dried food there, so I'm just gonna scrape it. Voila! Easy! Here I have chair which has a lot of pollen, so I'm using microfiber towel and water. Okay, we are ready.
Yes, it was fun.
It was! It is! Cleaning is fun, remember.
Fun and easy, or what was it?
I'm gonna say it. It was super fun, super easy.
For free.
I think the house owner was very grateful. He was a young man. He has 2 personal assistants, so he's getting help all the time, and I'm so glad that we were able to help him.
Yes, and the transformation to the apartment was so big. We took out trashes so many times and cleaned all the places, and it looks so amazing.
It does. You said trashes. It's trash.
Did I?
Yes!
Trash, not trashes.
I don't know why it's so hard for us, but yeah, it's trash, I remember. And you can always say if I'm saying something wrong, because I'm so thankful if you do so. See you, bye bye!
Bye.